So it was a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. In the Martin show, I was the second. Dean never did a pickup or a second take. Whatever happened, happened. You know, it's the truth. He never got the script. He never got a script. So I tested it. So I'm a little gopher now. You know, I'd heard all that story. So I'm standing beside Janet Ty, who was Greg Garrison's executive secretary, and I've got all the pink pages or blue pages, whatever I had for script changes that I had to get out to everybody. And so I said, should I give one of these to Dean? She turned on me and said, no, absolutely not. I said, okay. I was just checking. I kind of wanted that real no. You know, I didn't know if maybe he got something off the side. That was the brilliance of the man who didn't get a script. So he could be in the sketch, the script, the whatever's happening, with the cue cards right off to the side. And he's being a straight man to a Bob Newhart or whatever, and he could be involved in the sketch while he's reading and he's enjoying the sketch as it's happening. He was just brilliant when it came to that. Happy, enthusiastic, you couldn't help just being in love with the man.